Begin seated with the soles of your feet together in bound angel pose. Sit upright and look forward. Inhale into the sides of your chest and exhale all the way down to the lower regions of your pelvic floor. Use your hands to lift your outer knees and stretch your legs out in front of you, flat to the floor in Dandasana. Bend your left leg and grip the outer edge of your left foot with your left hand. Place your right hand against your left heel. Keep your left foot at armpit height and press your hands against your foot to rhythmically pump your left leg straight back and forth 10 to 15 times. This dynamic pumping brings your thigh bone deeper into the back of your hip socket and breaks up some of the stiffness in the surrounding hip and leg muscles. Change legs and repeat on the other side. And then you will extend both legs in front of you to return to Dandasana. On an inhalation, lift your arms overhead and then down to hook your thumbs over your toes. To get a good lift throughout your torso, maintain the lift in your torso and reach further forward. Take a breath. Press your big toes into your fingers, extending your legs. Press the backs of your legs down as you lift your inner arms up towards the ceiling. Extend your trunk forward and lengthen your spine, pulling it towards the back body. Broaden your chest by spreading your collarbone and gaze forward like you're an archer looking at a target, and hold for a few breaths. Then you're going to lift your left foot off the floor and bend your knee and elbow backward, as if lifting the bow without yet adding tension. Balance on your buttocks and observe how a small lift in your left foot already pulls on your fingers of your right hand, so that it's harder to keep hold of the right big toe. Reach the right side of your torso slightly towards your right foot and allow the left side of your trunk to move in the direction of an open twist. The buttocks stay down but don't need to remain parallel to each other. Keep your gaze forward. Take a breath. On an exhalation, pull your left foot up and bring your foot close to your ear. The sole of your left foot will turn slightly towards your ear. Balance on both buttocks and extend your inner right leg forward towards your right big toe. Keep looking ahead and hold for 15 to 30 seconds. And then lower your legs, stretching it forward, and place it on the floor next to your right leg. And then you would repeat on the other side.